All right, guys, got the 2021 Mercedes GLB 250, and today what I'm going to be installing right here is the LAMTTO, and it's the wireless CarPlay adapter. So yeah, right now I've got the cable connecting me to CarPlay with my iPhone, but yeah, we're going to remedy that. I'm going to install one of the best devices on the market, and you guys can see how I do it and pick yours up. Links below in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. I'm gonna remove this from the pouch. It gives you, let's see, got a reset tool in case you'd have to reset it. It gives you a USB A to C cable and a USB C to C cable, depending on what your vehicle has. So you can peel this off, just a protective cover, but it's pretty neat. I mean, this thing has got YouTube, Netflix, it's got everything preloaded on it. You're gonna plug this device in through its port on this side. You're gonna have a status green indicator. The little port beside that is the reset. That's what the little tool was used for if you need it. I don't think you'll need it, but you flip it around and let me tell you about these ports. This is so cool. This is a mini HDMI port, and that HDMI port, you can hook up an external screen or anything like that. That is so cool. All right, and check this out. This is your standard jump drive, and you can plug it right in to that port right there, and you can upload music, videos, that sort of thing straight into the wireless device. So at about 10 to 15 seconds, you're gonna see it pop up on the screen. Yep, accept and start. Starting Apple CarPlay. Just gonna follow the directions. Restart to calibrate screen. Well, I didn't even have to do anything there. Just give it time, guys. Don't rush it. It's calibrating. It's getting acclimated to your system. Take my glasses off. Don't need them in here. Look at that. Look at that. About 15 seconds total. We're in. Go to your Bluetooth, AI box, E92E, pairing request, pair, allow. So we are pairing with the LAMTTO device. Changing colors here, so we've been blue, red, yellow, so it tells you that this device is on. We are connected now. It takes about 10 seconds. Don't get overzealous and unplug it. Don't, rush things. It takes a few seconds, but that's normal. Hit CarPlay, everything popped up. So I've got my music. I can go to songs. I've got countless songs, just let's see, everything works just like I would be plugged in, but I'm not plugged in. So there's my phone, there's my maps, there's my music, my telephone, and back to CarPlay. It's pretty cool, guys. I love it. You want to go back to the Mercedes, you just hit car right there, and you're back to your Mercedes dash app, or CarPlay. Go back to it right there. You've got Netflix, YouTube. Let's click on YouTube. Let's see what's up here. Hadn't been set up yet. I've got to set everything up, but you can set it up to stream through your phone. Set it as a hotspot. Yep. Pretty cool, guys. So go back out of that. You can set up your Netflix, Android Auto, or CarPlay. It supports both. Just to show you guys, it's instantaneous volume. Yes, got to stop it because I don't want YouTube to copyright me on that song, but everything you press is instantaneous on the CarPlay with it being wireless. Usually you've got to have the wired CarPlay for it to be fast, not with this. I mean, go to your phones, go to your music, go to anything, your apps. Let's just say I've got an app that I want to go to, Chat GPT. You can go into any of this with just the touch of a button, and there's no lag on any of it. Google Maps, it's just like that. There's not much install to it. I mean, they take the hard work out of it. It's wireless, you plug it in, you push a couple buttons and you wait. Once it loads in, there you go. It's there always. As soon as your phone enters the vehicle, gets close to it, wireless CarPlay. Hey, LAMTTO RC26, it's the only way to go. Links in the description, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Later now.